Sanbona, Lochan. Greetings to everyone. I'm Kosnatim Caesar. I'm an independent car reviewer and the founder of Agio Car Reviews. And the purpose of this video, it's simply because I've noticed that I've gone for a while, for months, without posting in social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. When it comes to posting about cars, content related to cars, I've been posting only on Facebook, Instagram, X, and Threads, which is linked to Instagram. And then I've been posting, I've forgotten the word, but consistently, on Facebook. And sometimes my followers, friends, and audience, they'll interact with some of my posts, and then the reason behind me not posting consistently on platforms like YouTube and TikTok is simply because it's been hard for me to get cars. Since I've started, I think plus minus 12 cars, and then I've been able to at least improve when it came to my reviews, style of review and whatnot. But it then came to a halt. Also, the cell phone I was using decided to give up on me. I remember the day the cell phone I was using to take videos. I remember the day it decided to give up on me. I went to collect a Mercedes-Benz X-Class. The buggy that everyone doesn't, or most people don't tolerate or don't like. But when you are inside it, you get respect. I went to collect it, and then after collecting it, went home to try and vacuum the mats. And then when I arrived at the gate, when I was supposed to get off and go and open the gate, and the phone, it was in my right hand pocket, side pocket. And then it decided to put you on high. I'm going straight to the pavement. So it hit the pavement. After hitting the pavement, let me get it. After hitting the pavement, these were the results. So the review of the X-Class was normal. And then after that, it became hard. Everything became hard. And then I got to interact with some of the reviewers. Some told me, established car reviewers, some told me that it's a good idea for me to go to dealerships, and some told me I don't go to dealerships, rather write emails and whatnot. So with nothing to take like shooty content, I decided to go to there's Volvo here in Auckland Park. I decided to go there, and then in going there, I booked a test drive for a Volvo EX80, Volvo's smallest and cheapest electric car. And then When I got there, they told me, okay, they'll grant me a permission to do a test drive, but when it comes to making content related, making a review of that car, they said I must talk to the guys at the head office, top office, Volvo there, South Africa, Volvo Car South Africa head office. And then I said okay, they gave me numbers, and then they said I must call this and this and this, and then this is who I'll get. I tried you. So this now leads me to this, the reason why I'm making this video. You'll forgive me, guys. I told myself I wanna make this video as short as possible, but so okay. I saw we're going to the dealerships. It's not the thing, and then I tried to write emails. Some will get back to me, like VW. They told me I don't have what, and then I checked with some of the established car reviewers. Hey Joe, do you have this? Yes, man, do you have this? He said no. VW. And then Kabulela Lee Bake, South Africa, and then they reached out to me, and then but yeah, I don't know what was there some kind of miscommunication and whatnot. So and then continued to write emails, booking cars. So it led to me doing this video right now. I'll continue to review cars, write reviews on Facebook and Instagram and X, but also I'll make such videos, and then maybe have pictures and videos of those cars, because a lot has happened. Kia decided to release their Picanto GT line, which I doubt is available in South Africa, and there was some not a salesperson, but there was some dealership who made a mistake, and they said the car was 820 something thousand. So some of those things, and others, BMW decided to release their X-Ray. People had mixed feelings. Audi decided to ditch or scrape the A4 for A5 sedan and A5 Avant. So a lot has happened in the car world. So this is the format I'll use when making my videos, mainly for TikTok and Insta and YouTube. And as I've said, guys, I talk a lot, so I'll try and make them also to be as short as possible. And with your help, guys, as my audience, in every post I make, regardless of whether it's a video or a written post with pictures, please mention or tag these car manufacturers, they'll see ukuthi we are serious, we are in serious need and demand of their cars for reviews. So please also please do that, mention them. Hey, Mr. Ajo and Ajo car reviews, for them to grow and for them to be able to continue make content related to cars, continue with those reviews. Give this guy cars. Don't never be afraid to mention when I VW, when I Kia, VW South Africa, when I Kia South Africa, when I Mercedes-Benz South Africa, when I for South Africa, like every South African available brand, South Africa, but every kind of manufacturer that sells cars here in South Africa. Also, VW decided to, but that will be a story for another day. And then from me to you, I think that's all for this episode. Thank you guys. Lavago YouTube, who'll be watching from YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. You can comment anything to show what you've heard me. Anyway, thank you guys.